Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to activate your Crypto.com MCO Visa card, and I'll also go through the unboxing of the card. So join me. Alright, so I just received my Crypto.com MCO Visa card in the mail, and I'm going to open it up for you guys and show you how to activate it and talk a little bit about how it works. Okay, I just checked my mail and I got a package. I didn't know exactly what it was, but it turned out to be my Crypto.com MCO card. So you can see I've sort of torn the package here a little bit. So let's check it out. Comes with some important information. Alright, so here's my agreement, which you should check out. Goes through all of the details of the agreement. It's a lion's head, right? It's a very cool logo. So let's check it out. What do we got here? Almost perfect. Let's see what we got here. Alright, so here's the card holder. It's got a little tab down here. So we'll just pull this out. See how the card comes out. Pretty cool. It's got my name and everything. So we can just pop it out here. And there we go. Beautiful metallic card with the Crypto.com logo. Very nice. Number on the back. And this shows that it has the tap to pay option. So for merchant terminals that support Apple Pay, they usually also support this tap to pay, where you can just hold the card close to the reader and it will activate the transaction. Pretty cool. I've tried it with some of my other cards. So here we go. It's a Visa debit card, and it's staked on your MCOs that you have staked in your Crypto.com account. So pretty cool. And I'm ready to give it a try out at a merchant. I'll probably do that in a different video, you know, recording with my phone. But here we go. That's it. And then I'll just head over to Crypto.com to activate this. So very excited. All right, so now that we've got our card in our hot little hand, let's go activate it. So I'll head over here to Crypto.com. All right, and I'm gonna, down there at the bottom right corner is the card interface. So I'm gonna tap that. Let's go over here to the card. And then I'm going to use the activate my card button. Alright, and so I'm just going to enter the 3 numbers that are on the back of my card, and the card is activated. I'll just tap anywhere to continue, and then it wants me to set up a PIN for my card, and the PIN is confirmed. Tap anywhere to continue, and there we go. Got the card. Alright, so this card can be used to make purchases anywhere that Visa is accepted. So I'll go out in the wild and maybe try to use it and see how things go. Should be fine. We'll talk a little bit more about how the card is staked, but from what I understand, you know, I read the agreement and the card is a US dollar-based card. And there is no crypto on the card at all. So it's all US dollar-based, but that credit limit is dependent on your Crypto.com app and the amount of cryptocurrency that you have stored in the app. So let's move forward. This is a great new way to interface with your cryptocurrency. It's the way that we can actually spend our crypto in the real world. And then there are a lot of other added benefits for storing your cryptocurrency in the Crypto.com app. They're going to pay you some interest on the cryptocurrency that you hold in there, and it will also affect the spending limit and the current balance of your card as well. So good luck to everyone out there. Congratulations on all of the others that have received their card, and happy crypto saving and happy crypto spending. If you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments, and I'll do my best to get them answered. Don't forget, I have a live stream every Friday night, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please join me for the live Q&A in LA. Throw out any comments that you have, and I'll do my best to get them answered on the fly. Hope to see you there. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me, and hope to see you again soon.